BBI ni tamishamu nyingi yemingi mbere wa Meru ni wabirire na Kisii beta Kakamega beta Mombasa beta Kisii beta Garissa na nandi batoka twikanya ba Central Kenya tumba kugira mushabara y'umunene wa BBI yo kabairie yetu Meru tulaturi na economic block ira itawa Central Kenya economic block yani tulaturi twiki kundine kimwe na Tubembu na Twagiko na Kinya historia yetu tuturaga no tunyosha kushia twaruri tetoriamo mushabona yurinde dro yujiri ariyo kebara yuri Murang'a kana Kirinyaga indi twaye wakanya na igiteo ikinene muno kiramiyo kwa wakanya gaka kwanda mushabona yuri ywa Mount Kenya region yonde kuma Nakuru Nairobi mwaka huko kwa watu wetu kene giteo ikinene muno twei ni thirikari na BBI kubathira mushabona yuri
kuri tumikio particular kitumita mchana hiyo bidikira Meru
ntikona kile kiona ukiulie ile tumikire kwa yote Mombasa kana Kisii kana tupunge ya kule ntikona any special
so gavana kuri na siasa nyingi sana zilizokirirunka rwariro rwa BBI na tukirikana ne ati katiba tunende yita kwa ni miaka 10 itubatire kwedo tuchenche katiba
mbere manuye yuni ndari kampeni ya katiba mwaka yo 2005 ndari ku mwaka yo 2010 lakini katiba 2010 nyatu imekuruke no pingawo ni yene yaraba kuna 20% ibitebui na eroni adhani yake 10 tumiraida kaire tuone kevera yo bakuru na ndi tuna experience katiba yake na ni kurugania kwino tukona iyo bakuru yote kankuruki achokoni goga you the best can be made better ko ikanya tuiga akega nandi tumba kudia katiba yetu nyamba kurungamira katiba yetu kuruki bobega
na kwina miario ya kwethirwa katiba igamina ripoti ya BBI na tera ripoti ya kelelwe tiko ya Bomas so niko kwina miario for example ya bari Mombasa ya bari Kisii ya bari Garissa kuna proposals kana maendekede ya redero kinenkanirwa ni siasa what happens kile ripoti ya mbere
kuli siasa iwe kile BBI ni siasa ithia uma ripoti ra twathomere Bomas of Kenya tikere mudia tikere fine ni proposal twanenkerwe na president wona ugire arenda antu wa Kenya bet boy thome kuruki na baite mauri yao ugutika kuri muntu ukuregana na yara ya twathomere Bomas okiro kebera kuro yirwe tibui ugetibui keda kwino konda yongerwa ugayongera ko mishono yonde kuliruka na mishono yego waki kinya yengi kinyo memorandum yikwandikiro abipia ya Barawi na Bayusufaji omuntu wonda kaita maoni yao nikenda na report digo final na sheria ya referendum ko kane kanya getu kakuita maoni wala tukwenda BBI ekara na mishono yote ya weekend ina seminar huyu kemu na public rally kinoru ni Saturday dikanya tu iturando mu Kenya riyo atwe gugane bitu ndayande kwandene katiwe nonto ekario interest yetu ya mu Kenya richo
so speaking of maoni bwana governor maoni ni kulikuwa ni timu ya Ajidai and maoni nayo ni ya mitigwa na mbere nyingine ya siasa tukoona yaka timu ya Aji ikare that relevant
Kinoru Stadium Jumamosi chairman wa BBI akethewariwa na Bishop Lawi na kamiti leo bakethora bari na maoni yetu ya tukuthorania nandi tukaje hii memorandum tunekere kamiti hiyo kwa maoni yote ya gute maoni ya kunekera ndu wa siasa maoni yote ya kile kamiti ile nikenda kamiti ya chonkuna ya tonyo kile report ile
so mheshimiwa no ntubwa mwananchi kana mumero urota dikirete kaiteneka mtu abakwethira aisi una BBI yake kethira ya natia ebyuke maoni yayo nde isi kisi ni bari na proposals chiabo Kakamega ni bari na proposals Mombasa ni siariko and then Meru na tugenyo tutu kana wiki na proposals yetu na sema na sia county sema Mount Kenya yonde how big will this be document ile kethira kia accommodate maoni yayo
na twende tutatoka Kenya Kisii baina maoni yao ato wa Mombasa baina maoni yao kinya watu tore Ameru ko na Embu yetu tuna maoni yetu maoni yao nde kayo uchangiro ya kiro kiditine kila ya Kenya tema tonze akandi kwa ndene kati no tu BBI te katiba yake BBI ina viwango yengi we know bakuga for instance ito kwenda veye kawa yongero hiyo tekintu ndiko katibe hiyo ni police decision BBI kebana jara ya tonya katibe ya tonywa sheria ni cha kawaida na jange ya polisi tu ya tende kwenye sheria ya tuka ni mutongerio ko warenda ukarona ya uhuru aletire moya uka veye mushariti hiyo te manto kwandikwa kere katiba and it can report in BBI.
Ke ekedro igoro sana kile Kenya mautuna ya report ya BBI like for example mchumani yake ekedro yurikino no kwa idrikari ni siasa ni wananchi no kuromera ngarama chumani
mchumani ya BBI ina bango yao kamiti ni uchangira na kinya batu turatongeria tuchangira ibura tumba uteganire ikenda mauni yetu yo bakuriwa
so corona indire Mkenya akona matunda ya BBI soonest tuko na chia kwa ndamba kwa matunda ya BBI
nandi berona matunda no mankoto uteleta akambere ujoke wane no limiri yune kenda uri matunda takauma ku makosa muno kulwania ambire kora matunda nyambere wanda kokya tukulia ntuwetu ni twetani wangu yuyuri matunda ya Kenya twalia katiba marekebisho ya kwendekana na marekebisho ya tuweka implemented yo atuiga tukona maji for instance baatu kiatu ni mtumi na kimuno kene ya BBI ni kuongera beshiri kwenye mashinani bali kimo chomo na kwa beshiri tukwa 15% iteko kutunganira ni kuongera kinye 45% beshiri kuongera kinye 45% ukona matunda yacho nonto tukalia barbari nyingi nkuruki iri arera chukuru kunda nyingi kuyire beji ongere kanga kunda ni dume kyondo tukongera doje na ndawa tukongera nkuruki tukulia cancer center dona beji nyingi muno kongera kinyo go to the cancer center ko matunda yako yari ende tanandi no mwanka twambe prime mura yu nikena matunda yumba kuonekana Governor Meditori, Munge, Meditori Senator, Kili, now of course we to county reporting kayumba kwethiro kiatho na Kenya nkuruki ya darasiri kwero ni woka nonto okakolele for example kiatho kienu ke Jubilee na ino mona kiatho kene ate Kenya bongo feel temperatures ikwambire. Did you think BBI ni kwa na nkuruki ora kweza baje kwero yetma utugomba kulia katiba ando bakiara ya language ntanto tuwane ya ngomba mwaka kwena maoni tofauti nyakatibira twagita 205 kinyone wa machungwa bange bakiwa mali ya 2010 na uga yes bangi bakiugaga no ina kira kironde na democracy ni andu abaingi kire bangi ni wingi bonto ko watu kwa ingi bakumienda na bakai batukumienda ekande ko ni barabo gitate baingia babakumienda ko iti possible antu bonde kudo bakaraia language mwende tukuga kinyo kuregana na BBI kinyo kwa BBI waste of time kinyo ni mutanoshia ni mwaroshia na tugantu mu magitare ne kimwe kinyam mutano nyakwe na kinyo ugwe nubara bora ritane ne kimwe ine muntu aro iroto tofauti kwa hiyo ndio kudora wale wina right ya kuruganira kila tutakwenda ni fitina kila tutakwenda ni siasa ya tutanganira yaani cha kurumana uchambanie kila ndo kuregana na BBI ronga morite to byako kabira kuwa nani akali no ongea kali matejeo kila tukwenda ni heshima.
But you see
our political IG tuwete turenda mushauri na tofauti itudikanirie kethira uwe kwithugania BBI tibui na mushauri wa BBI uwe karanja ige jwa kuja kuwa BBI itibui ugeta mushemoni une yabara bakuwa ninje ugeta ku kulita sarakasi ugeta ku gutinda kurumbania ku etera boba beyena yoba kuruke nawe banga yo kuye na bandai na batu tutonyera na waitata watu tonyera union demokrasia na batu tuneshima
ikana mutegeri wa Wero TV na mutegeri wa Wero FM muchemani yoyo wa BBI yo account ya Meru kyani ne keke noriyo keza yuri live mokwemwe dene ya Wero TV na Wero FM tukeza tukuleterete muchemani yoyo mokwemwe kumara yo keza yukiamberia na kinyato tarankuruki mantu yogiye muchemani yo so gavana kirimi alire directorio ya BBI kire antu na proposals chio mbere ya ombira bubura itire ya bacterias ya chuka ko baba kwendikithia kwendikithia mwanya rimwe ni kwithira kwina regional government that means kwithira kwina thirikari thirikari nene thirikari ya jati and then thirikari cha county
mantu turayaririe chukego atoga batu kuri Mount Kenya region Mount Kenya East tutakwenda regional tutakwenda thirikari ingi yekwa gura county turenda county government na national government tutakwenda regional government tutakuwa maana yayo
na of course kwa baba kwendikithia kwithira kwina kanya ka prime minister chonda thikirite John Bandi wipu wa OGM na Junet Mohamed na bakaua no kakwithira kwina kanya ka prime minister ojo barenda ithira executive prime minister kire akinyi mapa ingiba kuona yo ketho yo murio bearing in mind kaiteneka Kenya chumba Kenya dhaibu tu na kwa baba kwendekithia kwithira kwina kanya ka prime minister kama ni yakuja
matwe ni tukwenda prime minister no tuwai dikarira iliona ndi na experiment turagitaga na presidential system ngira ina kasoro no tukute dirikali itomba ukinya bunge yuro byuria nito kwenda dirikali tuka accountable dirikali yomba utambunge ministers na MPs wonde baliku urato uri yanda minister ndito na kuru bire turi dirikali iri kuya presidential system minister tikinyaga mungu ko turenda Prime Minister uroka mambunge akoro vyuria ni wananchi kadha ibarabara sheria akera bunge ichere ino tukwai kadha ndawite hospitali akamwite hospitali tukwai kareo tuwezi na rime ila tuta suspended government ili uguru ende wananchi batukoma kuvyuria vyuria mugwe
agoro ireke yani na tigiga Prime Minister because ibubu kedo buru bisi
andi indiye ikwale na manzo ya itawapunguza mizigo bati tara ili bwega boro era nene ereo nayomba kugito kwena paraste tu nyingi sana ile dirikali ile nene iko litango ile wiko kwenye county na ndio karibu itawafa hiyo ngamera kilimo kile ndani ya county government hiyo dirikali ndio ingi sana ukalita paraste tu ili kudidia warapi na kuitanguira tuwikulita wasi umeshe nyingi sana mshahara ya Prime Minister ari MP imbeshe nyingi ina allowance yake kuongea.
But Governor, how disciplined will we be noto kile katiba ya 2010 ni kwa rina riandikithia ati kukethro kurina region kukethro kurina provincial administration but bravo karika ya kaya rebrand ringi no ntha iko in county commissioner kuna TCC
katiba ile ya 2010 itangalitie provincial administration. The provincial administration will be restructured. Na ibagiriro mukudithia balita PC na twange ya wale. Yende teka ugiteri tuobu. Na kule matombo adilaya county government mukudi. Ya tuge intelligence. Kana security operations. Hiyo ni shedagi to centralized. Otherwise, omba kuona ndiguruji tukene watu kanto ba Garissa na security yao ba Kisumu kwa tuga Kenya ni kwibere Kenya mo ndi ile na bedroom nyingi with county ndi sitting room ere
so nukuthwania ila kani kwethirwa kwina regional governments na kiwa no mwangu kwina regional government niwe yejite na proposal ya 3-tier government kana thirikari thatu.
Raila ni mtu wa Kenya yawe kana uri aina maoni yawe lakini kile tumurungi na yako na unge na yawe neno ndungamekeni no must ukaleona ende ni mwananchi ukalinga kura no gatuma ukara kana kurega ukara ko tuwiko makua ni oranto bakoalia kila kina gikumine watu turi mu Kenya tuliteni maoni yetu na tugerie kumubira izantu betu bajiri jaringere kura kenda yakuruka
but niendelebo manje yayo ndya BBI
okay omba kuendelea kinya Yesu nore ndereva wa kanisa ene ntukuye ta kanisa liko ukambiria kintu tomo ngakibere nigiaku nande BBI ne yetu na ibatu tukamnyorega igakara kubo akara naranja bukuwa BBI ni Raila BBI ni Uhuru bugatura dene ora wega ni tutonye ni ku tumege yetu batu tura miru twandike bira tukonda anto bembo bandike bira konda totaro ture Kenya ngiki ko BBI awe kinyita nande nya Kenya Yesu atauma Jerusalem atauma Bethlehem akwira ta kuruka kilomita 50 square ere nande ndinyo Kristo ile ngoro yombi na nini tie tu Israeli yake ni yetu nyetu kwenye BBI tera ira BBI te Uhuru BBI ni yetu na nyonkwera tuwetu tukamikireni nitutonye ntwandike matatu kwenda ene
kuri na ntuba kwendekithia kwithirwa county kiongela for example yoro MP wa Igembe North kama ore MP wa Tigania West Daktari Kanywedia na kinya mutongeri wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka wa Meru county nene sana ni particular ina county most probably Nyambene na Imenti no watu rumba
Meru akene ni Kiambu county nene muno kensi kwa kumini nya Kakamega watu wetu kwenda usawa justice kwamba kwendera kenda tugayo into wega county ira nene nijika nyenyinya ende ni wananchi wangu wakaita maoni yaliku wakaita maoni yao wajuga kwenda pendekezo ya kuga county ingananwe uninga support ende ndikwenda ikirwa kibiriga gutwika ntu banyambene bakwenda kugitwa kumegera ntu by Imenti that's wrong thinking.
Madeta yoni anti ni population kana Igembe Central ni na watu wengi so Igembe North, Igembe Central na Igembe South ideamo tina watu wengi kurukia county ya
that's okay, lakini mukarika na historical twabambite gamba na ibashari arema yora county kagitwa tubaroye nyuna njara bangi bakatinye mego lekuno tukolemwa ikugania counties niro batwikire district ira mu ya district ya 1992 leto chitikiri nikenda county chumba kudivu na watweka yitaro na nyumeni county mianke county nere kairo in process area mwakabu itekwa Electoral Commission, Mondays Commission, by the recommendation Parliament, and all na de mianke county bakochi.
So ye to kwa included kire BBI je to ni other
no to nyu watweka anti bakwenda ne bali yandi halafu ile kulinyoro kule ndio kwandikwa ni ati ni formula ya kuga county ewe kudorwa ila ina tobangana kana constituency ngana ekenda ya pora ikiri Kenya yonte mutiga tuike yintoroko
kabana tukirike yeno ntubola iwe chairman wa BBI terorwa Mount Kenya na kiri nterire ingitone te kuriboba kariti yakaba bako on BBI and uno bwedre buru ntumo mo tumite kwedro kwina pado kiriro ariro BBI ero mbunge wa Tharaka Nithi na rende kitherie ati kwedro ku MC kana baba karomera kiama kia Meru kwedro beithomite either Meru Tharaka Nithi kana MP ndo kwedro ari MC
nande Meru mbuga Madaraka ya mbere twaustite Meru kikiatho kiari ya Kenya yothe indi twagithie kirustite kiatho kirostani ti kiatho kia Meru ni kiatho kia Rijo tutite hosting kinuru idia kuni kiatho yetu kiatho kia Meru Kiembu na Gikuu oi makosa uga no mwaka Meru baingie kiatho tu no twakireti ikeni na yetu kiatho ni yetu ukitha ukina MC wa Meru ukitha ukina Gikuu na ukitha ukina tuwai Bembu menye wa Tharaka Nithi tukageria kubanga ora tuonde bakitha bari na ownership kiatho kiu
isi gavana twakithirwa mtu akithirwa ena kiatho kwa kiu lazima mtu ro kumenya mwaka weru kwanjeu so maybe kulingana na kadhaa kethiro ira appropriate mtu ro kabwete ukoro karomera kiatho kika no kethiro MC kiatho niki ethiro ri mtu kumenya thina chete
kiatho ntikubanga utetere ni wono kubako
so far alpha
kibanga ndikona nande itwambirie tayari wana ageni bakinyire kwena kurubembu kwena kuruba Tharaka Nithi kwena kuruba Gikuu na Njuri Ncheke ili haja uju ikenda twambiririe na bose mina ya uju ko ikiatho kia region uju ukitha kwina ntu 1,000 na 500 Kemu bakuya kuigora turugire twicuka nabo baraina mishemano yao Nyeri na Kiambu baturetero nabo barugire kwao nikenda tumba ukaramwe tuita memorandum mumwe turi Mount Kenya region nonto ntuko Jumamosi ni mambura ya morano ya BBI tentuko gweta ko gambano nintuko gweta ko bomera antu tubera ura twarikanirie turatongeria Mount Kenya region ko gugetera miarie mingi muno Jumamosi kirabo kibagi Jumamosi ni festival tukenda Momboko kuma Kirinyaga waya kuina Kirosti tukenda Chuka Dramas tukenda Nyakenyoba Kiambu batutumbuise tonekana turantu bamwe halafu turono tuba memorandum yetu tonekana kire kamiti
bwana governor Kenya baraba ingine wabethira bakiona yaka BBI ile ya tongeria na mtu twanya simply because for example Kenya wa kawaida nile akuona kanya kuta maoni yake ukabethirwa babugurete chuka and then ukethira bwikemu ebukia Harmonize Kenya mura mtwati nile akuona kanya kuta maoni
ni tuita public participation Kenya ya sheria cha kaunti
which are not really a success
ndikuria niri muntu wonde Kenya ona kanya kulita maoni yale muntu alita maoni kulingana na forum irero baraba kwandika ni bakwira wandike memorandum ni kerwe kamiti ya Yusuf Haji Kenya ugo no wandike hapo ujo bange kwena website baraba kuma mitandao nuike maoni yako na mitandao ni kuandika uranga dhiti na BBI ya kiroko ni chendwa Kenya yonte kwa ndwangu iru secondary wori mutongeria nutuwori turatongeria tuguri ni antu nikenda tuthikiria antu na tuike maoni yao otherwise ndio kwa leader wa direct democracy era muntu wonde atuika ari utongerie ne na wadhanini na kutumbika kwa unande kedo atwe na maoni yao ni bariteni nande na tomo kole de kiritu kia director kire kamiti no kadiki
na mare ke kwa ile mare ini mantu ya atongeri mwicho iratwanya kana ni mwananchi edre en kiringi
nande baro kwa kurukia BBI bakarande bakugwa bane atongeria bawicho iratwanya watena batana na wananchi wa kawaida inde ndabo ma BBI bogwe nonto leto kwa tongerwe 45% kije ndene mashinani yote mpesha utele mwananchi BBI ni kurungamira mantu ya youth iko youth ni bongerwe twanya toto twachwa mugi watu akuri uchumi ni kurega mantu yekuru BBI ni kwa to the shared prosperity but utimba kuroma sentence mwake ugambye BBI ni kuongera ite ndiko rumo keze na kuongera raba kaga itubi na kinya nutu na interest nugeta utongeri itubi ku itubi noto kuga basi kwanza unde na itubi ongera ku vita
ni Mount Kenya
ingwete kisha kuzo kuna president deputy president na prime minister na deputy wairi ende kwa tremu kwamba kudra kaunti ya Tharaka-Nithi tena gutonyi tena tu ana kinyami ko ne kuga itore ya thirikari yo
muroria na mesi
ya itore then ministers na permanent secretary tuge o county no mwankerite ila minister kana PS nikenda kile thirikari regu tudaturi included now into bikigobya Kenya tukamenya tuwetu bari metheni
so ni onto bati kuongela twanya tutano kana tutongela
nikuga tutikabona itwe twanya tutano aki nitone twari nye ministers nitwari nye PSs nikenda thirikari tuika more inclusive as we are talking.
So ngabana driver that chetu kuthira but mbere turikie manju ni manju te kuburariririe chuka yake kama kema
tuka muno kekera likuni manju yote antu bakona agriculture ajya ko barenda BBI ira muno antu yetu ya kawa ya majani ya marigo ya ikwashi ya mira intokera kumba tumba gukiria igekera mbeca mufukoni antu betu nkuruki iu ni rekiri mwira muno na namba 2 urumu akuga antu wa Mount Kenya East bawi kuriro bale ya Kenya ya bangi kure mtu ya mtu wa Mount Kenya East ibu kumena iko pao kure ya mtungi yo kure kuga one man one vote one shilling nikana tumboga na mbesi ya Kenya bugwega mbuga issue ni issue zile
kuna issue ya deputy president na gender kedro gavana kedro into murume for example no mango the deputy oku kedro ari tumuka vice versa
yuni rali no na watu eka atokageria ende ka idurasma tuika gavana no kedro aina mwekuru ari deputy tumuje itebira tugana kimirira gavana umeme deputy mwaka umebonya mbe na vice versa na tukakira impossible gavana nagiri uchomwekuru ende agekiro rasma ntomba kudurwa achomwekuru bakagwa nyoba tukuruka nacho mutore wa watana no bone kura chekungana nikendora gitikiriko kitiko ubunga itoire merit nitoire kuri chotongeri tukagura mukatu no tutugura mukatu
ngabana kakwina kulazimidwa kire kopiata kire manjo ya BBI
bwa utumba ukinyelwa BBI nitumira na freedom of vote kinyo kinyerwa utumba uchinje marugani yago so tekona kuri mtu kinyerwa utonya BBI ni your own personal choice
kesi ya gavana mwenzako Waititu yaonekanile kinye kiharakishwa sana akuimpichwa kiri Senate and then the following morning munini wena abati kuapishwa
ntukwere
itali na mambo ya BBI
ntukwere kwa Waititu arunga mabate kwa na BBI pero mi
nedri to akiwa na mtibeta na chikinyana deputy president
kawate kwa na BBI
well ni critique kwa BBI
no BBI manzo yaliku logical utumba kuroni nuntu BBI yuga kenda Kenya tulitoriamu omba kuna kitu kio yacho kekauga BBI tuna peace tuna area can you fight with that BBI kwa ni tukwenda prosperity can you fight with that so makosa yale na inkwenda tuwetu umauguru ndio kuidia kuungania BBI na siasa za 2020
bitungene
itogane mantariku batwe interest yetu ni BBI as a document tugarure katiba koro keja kuadana 2022 edere aina katiba njero kugitate akuadana nayo na turugire nande atwe BBI ratero nintukwe kuna nko atune nko
BBI na 2022 bitungene kinyari ko gavana
kile batwe tutokoda
deputy president na wire Jumapili awire rege kanoma rege akimaanisha BBI
ande leo ni mantu yao
so of course na koreana na BBI
ande batwe
na baraba ko support deputy president iba okara yakaba kuona leo
okay na alijo makosa tufoka azulito kia uni kwenda nitongerwa besha mashinani au nite kwenda kwa distracted tuangero pecha mashinani it will not matter kila lito ade kaira kana nonge kumenya mecha miru 45% kakitatu igaki bona ande tutwikoraga mubango yuyu mbo turetera maoni nkuruki nonto wakwana ngania ka kuthura ngania na nunte nawo.
Thank you very much, Governor. Thank you for kanya pia kwa about you tukoberwale kire Weru TV. Asante sana. Kupukwenda kwira Meru.
Kirampugo kwira twetu wa Meru. BBI inaitu muno kire twetu wa Meru. Na muno muongo yetu ya Mount Kenya region. Na nitukwenda bumira bwinde atongeria baraba konra beje seminar uju. Yoria byonde byo bikwenda kuru yabinkura gwaya ni Martin niho Martin weje ke muruju udikiri na uri byure byo nawo arafu tuko ya Jumamosi togoromba gwinde umirekero stadium kene kyado kya BBI kire kido kene muno ndene yo kawa county komune na itukwenda kuitambisha njega na itukuchoka tukuromba tafadhali kedo tukutikane na atwi karanja kaya kidogo.
Thank you very much, Governor. Na Weru TV na Weru FM together actually live kuma Kinoru tuko ya
the BBI earlier on when we had the president around, you said that those watatukana rais watakaribishwa hapa Meru. Probably could you demystify what you meant by that?
Okay, there's really nothing to mystify because President Uhuru Kenyatta is the president of Kenya. But also in our region, he is our boss. He is the regional leader of the Meru, Embu, and the Koyo. He is the leader of leaders. And we listen to him. So I will not throw in asking people to listen to him. Secondly, where he sits as president, none of us has sat there. Nobody has more information about this country than the president, because he's the only one who receives intelligence briefs every day. He knows what happens in every village. So this is a man worth listening to.
Let's now go. You had the meeting in Chuka on Wednesday, and you came up with the resolutions. I mean, you have been very vocal in articulating for 45% and an increment from the current allocation 15 to 45%, a minimum of 45% actually. I mean, what would be the drive? We understand, of course, of the stalled projects by the national government and all that. But the question would be, in as much as you're advocating for 45%, how then do we generate that money? Is it from the ordinary taxes, or how then shall we be able to ensure that the counties receive 45%?
First, if there is any real revolution, which was brought by the Constitution of 2010, is revolution. There are footmarks of development in every village in this country. Courtesy revolution. We are saying if we can do so much with only 15%, what much more transformation can we do? We get 45%. And I'm not talking from a position of ignorance. I've traveled. I've been to Japan. Japan has 47 counties, just like Kenya has 47 counties. And in Japan, the ratio is 40% for national government, 60% for the county governments. When I was in Japan, I found the county governments doing railways in their own counties. So if we're empowered, we can do so much, for this country. And right now, there's so much struggle for presidency because the Wananchi believe that the resources follow the presidency. So we need to debunk that. We need to remove the resources from the control of the center. So that since tukiwa na share yetu hapa, it will not matter who is where the president comes from. It can come from Turkana or Kenya, because I know the people of Meru will have resources to do the roads, the
hospitals and all that. So, Governor, in the resolutions of Mount Kenya East, you proposed the establishment of the position of an executive prime minister, who shall be the head of government, and you've advocated for the expansion of the executive. How then do you solve the fact that there are those who argue that actually more corruption and more money, more public funds are lost more in the executive? By expanding this, don't you think that probably the whole common manage would be strained in terms of because if we then have the 45% of the counties and also the executive?
There are a lot of myths. We are not talking about anything new. Kibaki's government was there with the same structure that we are recommending. I don't think there was much more corruption being talked about in Kibaki's regime than it's being talked about now, where those positions are not there. So remove corruption from this debate. Even one man in a country like Mobutu can be very, very corrupt, isn't it? Yeah, so what we are calling for is not the expansion of government as such. We only had 2 positions, Prime Minister and 2 deputies. What we are calling for is a more inclusive executive, so that the ministers, the PSs, who are critical in management of national resources, come from various, all the 47 counties. So every county has either a minister or a PS. Now, the people will see that they are represented at the highest levels of government, and that government will have more ownership, it will have more acceptability by the people of Kenya. So we are talking about political inclusivity.
As we talk about political inclusivity, Governor, Saturday is coming. We're expecting over 20,000 people, as we understand. There have been rallies in previous counties in the past, and we've seen some chaos. There are those who have possibly been blocked out, and others have been told to leave the rallies. I mean, what's your motive in terms of inclusivity? Will anyone be barred from attending or not?
We want Kinoru Stadium, rally to be different. We want a lot of decency, a lot of decorum, and political hygiene exercised at Kinoru Stadium. So everybody is welcome. And we want a celebration. And what we have said, we don't want people to use our peaceful occasion to come and spoil. Now, if you don't believe in BBI, what are you going to do in a BBI? If you are not a Catholic, why don't you go to your church and leave the Catholics alone in their own church? So this is the problem. This is what we are talking about. And so we want a peaceful rally. Everybody is welcome, so long as you conduct yourself and you don't come to mess up.
You were once Minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs. There are others who have argued that some of the proposals actually in the BBI could have been healed by first addressing the issues in reports such as the TJRC and others. Do we have to go through this entire constitutional process to achieve a united country, or shall this one be also another model to just, that will continue Catholic dust?
Who's enforcing them? They are not implemented. Shall we keep quiet and continue crying that they are not implemented? Man has always fallen short of the glory of God, and the challenge is to continue striving for perfection. The BBI should be seen that right. We have tried, we have failed, we have fallen, but we should not continue lying down. We should just stand up and continue moving.
Finally, Governor, as we wind up, there are those you expect that 20,000 people coming in. As the Mount Kenya region, what would you probably say you will have achieved in this entire process? I mean, do you want unity or do you want resources? We have what you have as the 4-point agenda, but what is that thing that you are advocating for?
I think, various people will have various interests in this BBI process. We, the Mount Kenya region, have our own. And for us, we are keeping only measure. Ours is economic. We like to see BBI used as a process for enhancing our economy, for reducing poverty, and enhancing growth and prosperity of our county. That's why we're emphasizing on more resources coming to the counties. We're also looking at our agriculture, which has virtually collapsed. We want more resources guaranteed and ring-fenced for agriculture, both by the national government and the county governments. So we believe if our people have their own money, if our people are rich, if they are prosperous, I think we shall be okay.
Quickly, Governor, what happened to Ugatuzi initiative that the Council of Governors was fronting for?
Actually, the Ugatuzi initiative, it is true I was part of it, but there was no point of having parallel initiatives which deal with the same things. Many of the things in BBI are also the same things in the Ugatuzi initiative. And the retro where we have a difference is what we are trying to push. Like BBI talks about minimum 35% of national resources to the counties. Ugatuzi talks 45%. So we are trying to push the Ugatuzi agenda into BBI.
So at this point, Governor, I'll just ask you to first come and probably just talk to Kenyans in matters preparations for Saturday and what they should probably expect.
Thank you very much, Maringa. I would like to tell Kenyans we are getting ready for the BBI rally at Ikulu Stadium on Saturday. You can see the Wazees have started arriving. The people behind there, the Kikuyu Council of Elders, the Njuricheke, the Embu Council of Elders, they have come in advance to bless the meeting even before it starts. Tomorrow we will be at Kemu, Kenya Methodist University, with our intellectuals, with our business people, with our religious leaders, again trying to harmonize our memorandum which we are going to present to Kenya Stadium on Saturday. And then on Saturday we expect a major celebration that has not been seen in this region before. We expect cultural dances from all the 11 counties. We expect a lot of visitors from the rest of the country. Please join us. We want Kenya Stadium to be full to the brim and enjoy the Meru hospitality. Don't be in a rush to leave when you come.
Indeed. That has been Meru Governor Creighton Mwangi talking to us matters BBI. As he has mentioned, Kenyans have been welcomed to this rally that we're doing together, all the Kema counties at Kinoru Stadium in Meru County. Thank you for your time. My name is George Maringa from Meru County.
Okay, so